Let's do a burpee. If that smells. Let's do a burping contest.
It's not fair. I already used all my energy on the first one.
Wow.
Yeah, you win. Christ. Wait, look, it looks like we're both wearing white t-shirts.
Because we are.
Why do you have an American Idol shirt?
Armstrong Idol. That was our field day crap thing.
That's stupid.
Yeah. Tell Dr. Richie, our school teacher.
I'm going to McCullough, and now he is too, but he wasn't.
What's your address?
You think I would say that on the video? Then they just go to Google Maps like,
Let's go I know my address.
I know my address too.
What?
Don't trick me.
33.
He's not gonna say it.
Oh yes, I am. 45. What's next?
12? 45, 12.
Oh God, your breath smells. Let's turn this thing off.
That's because I burped. You made me do a burping contest. Okay, well, thanks. Thanks, everybody.